Do you know what blood sugar levels are considered dangerous? If your fasting blood sugar exceeds 126 mg per deciliter or your post-meal blood sugar surpasses 200 mg per deciliter, you risk serious complications such as nerve damage, kidney failure, cardiovascular disease, and even stroke. However, managing blood sugar isn't just about monitoring glucose levels, it's also about choosing the right foods that naturally stabilize blood sugar. Are you eating the best vegetables for diabetes management? In this video, we will introduce the top 9 vegetables that not only help control blood sugar but also protect the heart, kidneys, nerves, and improve insulin sensitivity. Stay with us until the end because this information could make a huge difference in your health. 1. Kale, the superfood for effective blood sugar control. If you're looking for a vegetable that helps stabilize blood sugar, kale is undoubtedly a top choice. This isn't just any leafy green, it's a superfood that supports heart health, protects nerves, reduces inflammation, and most importantly, helps regulate blood sugar naturally. Kale's glycemic index, GI. Kale has an extremely low glycemic index, GI, of just 2, meaning it barely affects blood sugar levels after consumption. A 100 grams serving of kale contains only 4.4 grams of carbohydrates, with 2 grams of fiber, which slows glucose absorption and keeps blood sugar stable. Scientific evidence. A 2021 study published in Diabetes Care found that regularly eating leafy greens like kale reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 14%. Additionally, kale is rich in vitamin C, which can improve insulin sensitivity. A 2016 study confirmed that vitamin C supplementation significantly lowers fasting blood sugar levels in diabetic patients. Other outstanding benefits of kale. Supports heart health. Rich in vitamin K, which reduces arterial plaque buildup and protects the heart. Protects nerves. Contains alpha-lipoic acid, which helps alleviate diabetic neuropathy pain. Preserves kidney health. High levels of antioxidant quercetin protect the kidneys from damage caused by high blood sugar. Best ways to eat kale for diabetes. Raw. Make a kale salad with olive oil and lemon to enhance nutrient absorption. Steamed or lightly stir-fried. Helps retain essential nutrients. Kale smoothie. Blend with avocado, chia seeds, and unsweetened almond milk for better blood sugar control. Kale and white bean soup. A nutritious meal that stabilizes blood sugar long-term. Start adding kale to your diet today for natural and effective diabetes management. 2. Sauerkraut. Probiotics for blood sugar control from the gut. Leafy greens aren't the only foods that help control blood sugar. Fermented foods like sauerkraut play a crucial role as well. Few people realize that gut health is closely linked to diabetes. A healthy gut microbiome improves glucose control, reduces inflammation, and enhances insulin sensitivity. Sauerkraut has an almost zero glycemic index, GI, and contains 4 grams of carbohydrates per 100 grams, half of which is fiber. More importantly, probiotics in sauerkraut help regulate post-meal blood sugar levels. A 2022 study published in Nutrients found that a probiotic-rich diet can reduce HbA1c levels by up to 0.5% within a few weeks. Additionally, vitamin C in sauerkraut reduces oxidative stress, helping prevent diabetes complications, while vitamin K supports heart health. To maximize its benefits, consume 2 to 4 ounces per day, but choose a low-sodium version if you have kidney disease or high blood pressure. Instead of just eating sauerkraut as a side dish, try pairing it with salmon, eggs, or adding it to lentil soup, a delicious and effective way to regulate blood sugar. 3. Bean sprouts. A tiny food with powerful blood sugar control. Do you often feel fatigued because of fluctuating blood sugar levels? Sudden hunger pangs, dizziness, or exhaustion could be signs of unstable glucose levels. If you're looking for a food that's easy to eat and naturally stabilizes blood sugar, bean sprouts are an excellent choice. With a glycemic index, GI, of only 15, bean sprouts barely raise blood sugar levels after eating. A 100 grams serving contains just 5 to 6 grams of carbohydrates, with 4 grams of fiber, which slows glucose absorption and maintains stable blood sugar levels. A 2021 study published in Nutrients found that bean sprouts can reduce post-meal blood sugar by up to 20% due to their ability to slow starch digestion. Additionally, bean sprouts are rich in magnesium, an essential mineral that enhances insulin sensitivity. A 2020 study in diabetes care confirmed that adequate magnesium intake reduces insulin resistance by up to 30%. Not to mention, bean sprouts also lower LDL cholesterol, protect heart health, and reduce inflammation, all critical for diabetics. How to eat bean sprouts for blood sugar control. Raw. Add to salads for a refreshing crunch. Lightly stir-fried with garlic. Preserves nutrients while enhancing taste. Added to soups for extra fiber. Bean sprout smoothie. A creative option for a nutrient boost. If raw bean sprouts cause bloating, light steaming can make them easier to digest while retaining nutrients. Despite their small size, bean sprouts offer enormous benefits for blood sugar control. Try incorporating them into your meals and feel the difference. 4. Kimchi, the powerful probiotic for blood sugar management. Have you ever wondered why South Koreans have a lower diabetes rate than many other countries despite consuming white rice frequently? The secret might be kimchi, a fermented food rich in probiotics that helps balance gut bacteria and regulate blood sugar effectively. Kimchi has a low glycemic index, GI, of just 15. Contains very few carbs, 0.6 grams per 100 grams. And is packed with probiotics. According to Dr. Michael Mosley, a world-renowned nutrition expert, a diet rich in fermented foods like kimchi improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and supports blood sugar control. A 2018 study also found that daily kimchi consumption lowers fasting blood sugar by 7% and significantly improves insulin function. How to eat kimchi for diabetes management. Consume 2 to 3 ounces per day. Avoid overly salty versions if you have high blood pressure. Pair with eggs, brown rice, or make kimchi miso soup for a flavorful meal that stabilizes blood sugar. Try adding kimchi to your diet. It's a small change that could make a big difference in diabetes control. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned as we continue revealing more diabetes-friendly vegetables that naturally lower blood sugar while boosting overall health. Which of these have you tried? Let us know in the comments. 5. Zucchini, the natural noodles for blood sugar stability. If you love pasta but worry about starch intake, zucchini is the perfect substitute. Not only does it satisfy your cravings without spiking blood sugar, but it also offers numerous health benefits for diabetics. With a glycemic index, GI, of just 15, zucchini belongs to the low-impact category for blood sugar regulation. A 100 grams serving contains only 0.9 grams of carbs, including 0.35 grams of fiber, which slows glucose absorption and prevents sudden blood sugar spikes. A 2021 study in the Diabetes and Metabolism Journal found that consuming magnesium-rich vegetables like zucchini reduces fasting blood sugar by up to 14% and significantly improves insulin sensitivity. Additionally, zucchini protects eye health, a major concern for diabetics. It is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which help lower the risk of diabetic retinopathy, the leading cause of blindness in diabetic patients. Furthermore, zucchini's antioxidants help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and protect the kidneys. Best ways to eat zucchini for diabetes management. Zucchini noodles, zoodles, use as a spaghetti substitute with garlic butter sauce. Creamy zucchini soup, a warm and nutritious low-carb meal. Grilled zucchini with salmon, a protein-rich and diabetes-friendly option. Zucchini pancakes or omelets, a light breakfast to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Try adding zucchini to your diet and experience the positive impact on your health. 6. Celery, the natural weapon for blood sugar control. As a diabetes specialist, I always recommend foods that help stabilize blood sugar without harming kidney or heart function. Celery is one of the top choices I highly recommend. With a GI of just 15, celery has almost no effect on blood sugar levels after eating. It contains only 0.35 grams of carbs and 0.5 grams of fiber per 100 grams, which slows glucose absorption and prevents spikes in blood sugar. A 2020 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that celery extract can lower fasting blood sugar by up to 19% due to its insulin sensitizing properties. Additionally, celery is rich in PHT halides, compounds that help dilate blood vessels and lower blood pressure, crucial for diabetics to protect the heart and kidneys. How to eat celery for maximum benefits. Drink fresh celery juice daily. Add to salads with fresh cheese. Lightly stir-fry with olive oil for an easy side dish. If you're looking for a natural way to manage blood sugar, start incorporating celery into your meals today. 7. Radish. Small but powerful for blood sugar control. If celery is known for relaxing blood vessels and protecting the heart, radish stands out for its blood sugar regulating and anti-inflammatory properties. Many people overlook this small vegetable, but it can be a game changer for diabetes management. Radishes have a GI of just 15 and only 1 gram of carbs per 100 grams, helping to keep blood sugar stable without major fluctuations after meals. A 2021 study in the Journal of Food Biochemistry found that consuming radishes can lower fasting blood sugar by up to 18% due to their natural insulin-boosting compounds. Beyond blood sugar control, radishes also help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, protect cardiovascular health, and enhance kidney function, 2 organs highly susceptible to diabetes complications. Their antioxidants further prevent nerve damage caused by high blood sugar. How to eat radishes for blood sugar stability. Slice raw for salads. Roast with garlic for a flavorful side dish. Blend into a creamy radish soup. A small dietary change can lead to a big difference in your health. 8. Mushrooms. The superfood for blood sugar control and nerve protection. In the US, over 37 million people have diabetes, while in Europe, the number exceeds 60 million. More concerning, 1/3 of diabetics are unaware of their condition, leading to severe complications like cardiovascular disease, neuropathy, and kidney failure. One natural solution to managing blood sugar is mushrooms, an often overlooked yet highly effective food. Mushrooms have a GI of only 10, lower than most vegetables. A 100 grams serving contains just 1 gram of carbs, but is rich in fiber and antioxidants, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. A 2020 study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that regular mushroom consumption reduces fasting blood sugar by up to 12% and improves insulin sensitivity. Additionally, mushrooms help reduce nerve inflammation, lowering the risk of diabetic neuropathy complications. A 2023 study showed that diabetics who ate mushrooms daily had a 15% lower risk of nerve damage. Best ways to eat mushrooms for diabetes management. Grilled or roasted mushrooms for a delicious, nutrient-packed side dish. Garlic sautéed mushrooms to enhance flavor and health benefits. Creamy mushroom soup for a warm, comforting meal. Incorporate 5 to 7 ounces of mushrooms per day to help control diabetes effectively. 9. Eggplant. A smart choice for blood sugar and kidney protection. Did you know that 1 in 3 diabetics suffers from kidney complications? According to the American Diabetes Association, diabetics are 3 to 5 times more likely to develop kidney failure than non-diabetics. The good news is that a fiber and antioxidant-rich diet, like one that includes eggplant, can significantly lower this risk. With a GI of just 15, eggplant releases glucose slowly, preventing post-meal blood sugar spikes. A 2021 study in diabetes research and clinical practice found that people who regularly consume eggplant reduce their fasting blood sugar by an average of 14% within 4 weeks. Additionally, the eggplant eating group showed significant improvements in insulin sensitivity compared to those who did not eat eggplant. Beyond blood sugar control, eggplant helps protect the kidneys from diabetes-related damage. A 2023 study in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that antioxidants in eggplant reduce kidney inflammation by up to 20%, slowing the progression of diabetes-induced kidney disease. On the other hand, people who eat fewer vegetables like eggplant have a 35% higher risk of kidney failure. How to eat eggplant for diabetes and kidney health. Grilled or steamed eggplant for a heart-healthy dish. Eggplant dip. Baba ganoush, as a low-carb snack. Eggplant soup for a warming and nutritious meal. Avoid frying eggplant, as it absorbs excess oil, adding unnecessary calories. Are you maximizing these 9 vegetables for blood sugar control? Now that you know about 9 powerful vegetables that can transform the way you manage diabetes, the big question is, are you using them correctly? Many people eat vegetables but fail to optimize their effects, sometimes unknowingly increasing blood sugar instead of lowering it. What if there's a hidden dietary secret that helps stabilize blood sugar faster, reduces complications more effectively, yet most people don't know about it? It could be a simple preparation method, or an unexpected food combination that unlocks greater benefits. Are you sure you've discovered it all? Think about this. How does your body respond to each food? Are you missing a golden opportunity to make diabetes management easier? If you want to gain a deeper understanding and optimize your health, maybe it's time to rethink what you eat and, more importantly, how you eat it.